Hey, welcome back to the show, Cooking with Manual Focus, and I have my wife here. And you know what we're gonna make today? We're gonna make a pasta con queso blanco, or in French would be
pâte de fromage blanc.
So what we're gonna be doing is we're making a white mac and cheese. It's gonna be delicious, easy recipe, and we're gonna smoke it. So without further ado, let's get to this recipe. The full recipe and ingredients will be in the description below. But with a good mac and cheese, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, you gotta go with some fresh grated cheese. Now, there's nothing wrong with going with the store-bought already shredded cheese, but fresh grated cheese is the way to go. So I got some white extra sharp cheddar and some mozzarella cheese, right? And then at the end, this is why you go with that grated, because you can have those chunks right there, and that's gonna be a surprise in every bite. Here's the difference between the pre-shredded and the shredded cheese. Now you see, man, you got a lot of flexibility in it, and that's gonna keep it, you know, where you can melt that cheese the consistency that you want it. Now we're going in there with some butter and some flour. Again, we're gonna be making some cheese sauce, and the key to the cheese sauce is you gotta have it at the right temperature, and then you gotta keep that sauce moving. Now we're going in there with some buttermilk, and then as you notice, I'm just keeping that sauce moving, right? Now we're gonna add some ingredients where we got onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper. Then we're gonna hit it with some Creole seasoning. We're going in with some sour cream, and then we're just hitting it with that mixing action again, making sure these ingredients are absolutely mixed. Now we're going in there with that cheese mixture, and again, notice I'm still steadily mixing. So the key to the cheese mixture is making sure that you're keeping that thing moving, and you can adjust your heat as you see fit as the cheese melt, but you don't want your heat to be too high. So a medium heat will absolutely do. And then, like I said, keep that thing moving so it doesn't burn on the bottom. And then once you get it to the consistency that you want, take it out, and then you're gonna pour them over your noodles. Stir it up together as you see here. Make sure every noodle is covered in that cheese sauce. Once it's covered in that cheese sauce, then you're gonna get a suitable baking pan. You know, I got to get my taste test at the end, so I got me a little junior, right? There it is right there. Now we got our pit boss. We're going to preheat this up to 350 degrees. Once it comes up to temp, we're going to place these baking dishes in that pit boss and let that pit boss go to work. After it smokes 35 minutes, we're going to pull it out, and then we're going to put the rest of that cheese on top, right? So when you're putting your cheese in the cheese sauce, you're going to use about 75% of it, and then 25% you're going to leave to top this mac and cheese. Once you top the mac and cheese, you're going to let this cook the rest of the way. Once that thing is done, now it's going to look a little bit different than your normal mac and cheese, but as you can see on those sides there, when it's starting to brown, then that mac and cheese is absolutely ready to go. And then we're going to take this bad boy out, and we're going to serve it to our guests. Look at that right there. White smoked mac and cheese. You in the game. All right, so there you have it. You got your white mac and cheese, and here it is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and let you see it. Wee. Look at that right there. But we're gonna go ahead and give this a taste test. That's absolutely delicious. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. And if you've been rolling me for a while, you already know what we're about to do. We about to smash into this mac and cheese. And we'll see you guys later. Peace.